What's gone has gone forever and won't come back. What is to come is unpredictable. The only thing that matters is this present moment. It is joy and pain, pleasure and defeat. The whole life is contained in an instant. Many out there stand still as infinite moments pass by. Then they disappear forever. I don't want to miss them, my moments. I simply won't let them go. I will fight. I will hunt them down. I'll have the strength to wait. I'll be ready. And when they come, I'll keep them with me forever.